Keeping order accuracy high is essential for any e-commerce business, and Ordoro's barcode pick workflow helps you do just that. By scanning barcodes and verifying UPCs, you can reduce picking errors and ensure the right products are shipped every time. To begin picking orders, navigate to the Orders tab and select the orders you need to pick. The Pick Order modal will open. As you retrieve each item from the shelf, scan the product's UPC. Ordoro will verify the scan. If correct, the unit count will decrease. If incorrect, an error message will appear, helping prevent packing mistakes. If a product does not have a UPC assigned, you can add it on the product detail page to ensure it's available for future scans. For batch picking, scan multiple orders back to back. Ordoro will keep track of each verified item, reducing the need for manual checks. Once all required items are scanned and verified, mark the order as Contents Picked. This ensures accuracy and lets your team know the correct products have been picked before moving on to packing and shipping. With barcode verification, your team can work faster while making fewer mistakes. By integrating barcode scanning into your picking process, you'll improve efficiency, streamline fulfillment, and keep customers happy with accurate shipments.